Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best ergonomic keyboards 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Introducing the Logitech Ergo K860 Wireless Ergonomic Qwerty Keyboard, designed to transform your typing experience. Featuring a split keyboard layout, this innovative design promotes a more natural posture, reducing strain on your wrists and forearms during extended use. The cushioned wrist rest offers superior comfort, made with a soft, stain-resistant fabric that's easy to clean, ensuring your setup stays fresh and sleek. The Ergo K860 connects effortlessly via Bluetooth or USB, giving you the flexibility to switch between devices with ease. Whether you're typing on your computer or switching to a tablet, the keyboard offers seamless compatibility and reliable connectivity. Its curved, sloping design helps align your hands, wrists, and arms in a more natural position, enhancing both comfort and productivity. Built with durability in mind, the Logitech Ergo K860 ensures long-lasting performance for any work environment. Elevate your workspace with ergonomic support and wireless efficiency, perfect for anyone seeking a healthier, more comfortable typing experience. Number 2. Experience unparalleled gaming performance with the KINESIS Gaming Freestyle Edge RGB Split Mechanical Keyboard. Engineered for gamers who demand precision, this keyboard features Cherry MX linear red switches known for their smooth, responsive keystrokes, ensuring lightning-fast reactions during intense gameplay. The split design promotes a natural hand, wrist, and forearm position, reducing strain during long gaming sessions. Customize your setup with vibrant RGB backlighting, offering a spectrum of colors and effects to match your style or enhance your gaming atmosphere. The detachable palm support provides additional comfort, allowing you to tailor your gaming experience to your liking. Fully programmable keys mean you can set macros and personalize your commands, giving you the edge over the competition. Whether you're a casual gamer or a pro, the Freestyle Edge adapts to your unique playstyle. Elevate your gaming experience with the KINESIS Freestyle Edge, where comfort meets performance. Number 3. Introducing the Corsair K70 Pro Mini Wireless RGB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard, the ultimate gaming companion designed for peak performance and style. Engineered with the fastest sub-1 millisecond response time, this compact keyboard ensures every keystroke registers instantly, giving you a competitive edge in every game. Featuring swappable Cherry MX speed key switches, you can customize your typing experience for optimal comfort and speed. Crafted with an aluminum frame, the K70 Pro Mini offers durability and a premium feel, while the PBT DoubleShot keycaps provide enhanced grip and longevity, resisting wear from intense gaming sessions. The vibrant RGB lighting lets you personalize your setup, creating stunning visual effects that sync with your gameplay. With its wireless capabilities, you can enjoy a clutter-free gaming environment without sacrificing performance. The compact 60% layout saves desk space and allows for easier portability. Elevate your gaming experience with the Corsair K70 Pro Mini, where performance meets style. Get ready to dominate the battlefield. Number 4. Introducing the Perixx Paraboard 512 Ergonomic Split Keyboard, designed to provide comfort and support for all-day typing. This black, full-sized keyboard features a natural ergonomic design, with a split layout that promotes a more relaxed hand position. Its curved keyframe and integrated palm rest reduce strain on your wrists, making it ideal for long working hours. With dimensions of 19.09 by 9.29 inches by 1.73, it's a larger keyboard that provides ample space for comfortable hand positioning. The Paraboard 512 is equipped with a standard US English layout and responsive keys, ensuring an intuitive typing experience. The sturdy, durable build makes it perfect for office and home use alike. Whether you're working or gaming, this keyboard is designed to improve your posture and typing efficiency. Elevate your workspace with the Perixx Paraboard 512, a reliable and ergonomic choice for anyone seeking both comfort and functionality. Number 5. The ProtoArc EK01 Plus Backlit Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard is designed for ultimate comfort and efficiency. This full-size keyboard features a split design that promotes a natural hand position, reducing strain and enhancing long-term productivity. The built-in wrist rest further supports your wrists, ensuring comfort during extended use. With both Bluetooth and USB connectivity, the EK01 Plus offers versatile options for seamless integration with your devices. The backlit keys provide clear visibility, even in low-light environments, allowing you to work or game anytime. Its rechargeable battery ensures you won't need to constantly replace batteries, making it an eco-friendly choice. Whether you're typing, gaming, or coding, the ergonomic layout and reliable wireless connection make the ProtoArc EK01 Plus a standout choice for those seeking comfort and performance. Ideal for home or office use, this keyboard enhances your workflow while keeping your hands and wrists in optimal alignment. Enjoy the perfect blend of style, convenience, and functionality with the EK01 Plus.